Most people stay broke by accident. Wealthy people get rich on purpose. These daily affirmations have made me rich in every area of my life, and they'll do the same for you. Subscribe and watch daily to see an impact in your life. Let's start. I am wealthy. I can create wealth. I attract money easily. I am paid well. Every day I earn more. Today, money finds me. I am rich in every way. I manage money wisely. And as always, let's end with, I'm alive, excited, and full of energy. Remember, the more you repeat these affirmations, the more they become part of your everyday thinking. If you have an affirmation you'd like to share, please comment below and we may feature it in an upcoming episode. Feel free to watch this again and come back tomorrow for another 8 daily affirmations.